is time for an exercise bite with Lenny the Porcupine and Miss Lori at Learn and Loving, Love and Learning Lodge, where we show you a couple of movements that you can add into your day. Both of our movements today involve balls. All right, Lenny, you can help me in just a minute. Our first one is simply kicking the ball. You can, if you have a partner to kick it to, you can kick it back and forth. Or maybe you can kick it up against something to see if it will come back to you. Or you can just simply kick a ball and chase after it and see how far it goes. So that it adds in some coordination with the lower half of your body in kicking the ball. The second movement introduces the concept of under. So where you can roll or kick or throw a ball under something. Tables and chairs work great for this activity. All right, Lenny, you want to help me? We will roll some balls under a chair. There's our chair. We'll scoot it back so everyone can see the floor. Are you ready to do some rolling? All right, here we go. Can we roll it under the chair? Nice, Lenny. There's 1, 2. Want to do one more? Okay. And 3. And if it doesn't make it all the way under, is that okay? Absolutely. So, Lenny, would you like to do some kicking of the ball? All right, here's the ball. Can you kick it out of my hand? Whoa! Lenny is a great kicker. So get up and moving and use some balls to do some kicking and roll some things under some chairs. Whoa. As my animals go just a little bit crazy. It is your turn now to get up and moving and move your body. Move your body. Now you know just what to do. Move your body. Move your body. Now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.